Today we're on the Chariot and the alignment cross. Chariot is where the alignment starts to gain momentum and direction. This shifts the alignment cross into a directional correction reading. As you see, we have centre as the Chariot. This cross is not about being so symbolic as in usual tarot. It's not. I'm not even using emotion. We're not even using intuition. We're using structure. We're looking at how alignment starts to stabilise, and that stability finally becomes movement. Last week we had the ignition point, which was the sun. The Emperor gave you the structure, the Star gave you the alignment frequency, and the strength stabilised that frequency. Sun is what illuminated this corridor that is now opening. This is where distortion dropped. Clarity began and the forward line became visible. This is the architecture revealing itself. The sun didn't create the path, the sun revealed the path so that the cards can start to turn into alignment. So now with the Chariot is bringing in direction, and the direction becomes the vector that alignment travels in. This vector is movement. This movement is the essential meaning of the Chariot. Chariot is not separate from sun. Chariot is the sun in motion. The centre card now represents the vector that is locked. It's a moment where illumination of the corridor becomes a disciplined forward trajectory as we move into the east. Chariot here bands opposing forces into one line. Your lower self impulses are held at bay. The middle self reactions are held at bay, and any external noise or internal fragmentation are all bound together into discipline, forward movement and clarity. The Chariot that we see here is not fast, but the Chariot is unbreakable. It's a movement of self where you said the path is now clear. This alignment vector is going to hold and movement will be able to begin. So the Chariot card at the centre of this Karmic cross is a conversion of the sun's clarity that was brought in the previous episode, what now moves into mechanical motion. The sun showed the path that we were about to step on, and Chariot now is about to move through it. Just going to start off, see what we have in West. And we have death. This is the past line. This was the collapse point. This is where the structure exposed the debt that you was in. It wasn't about transformation. This was terminating the karmic debt cycles that you kept repeating and repeating. It was the point where the system said the previous trajectory cannot continue for alignment to move forward. It has to be terminated. The pattern can no longer operate in this karmic cross. This means any old identity, any old roles, the old operating system, the way we reacted, and are cleared. Any direction that you was moving in is stopped. The old architecture of the karmic debt is no longer viable. It will not be released. Death clears the field, as you can see in the picture, so that the Chariot can move on without any drag. You will not be bringing the past into your future alignment. It is gone, it's been dealt with, it's been reset. You're moving forward now with the motion of alignment. In South, we have the Hangman. South is the active activation point. This is the pressure line. This is the force still point before movement. Hangman in the South is about suspension. This is the moment the alignment vector is held in place so that the new direction can form. This Hangman removes any reactive movement of the Chariot, any impulsive correction of the left and right movement of the Chariot, stops any premature forward movement and removes all emotional interference from the karmic debt in the West, and any middle self wobble, any firefighting that you have in your everyday life. This is essentially you at the starting gate, the stall before the Chariot moves. Some brought you clarity. The Hangman is is giving you the stillness before you move. The system cannot move until the reactive line is fully and truly neutralised. This is the still point that locks the vector. North, the identity line. We have the magician. This is the overall governing principle of the alignment. This is the operating system. Magician in North. This is not about manifestation. This is mechanism. It is a moment where the system says, this is how we operate going forward now with the Chariot. The magician is establishing your new identity, the new architecture that you will use moving forward, the new methods that you will use, the new identity that you will carry going forward into the new direction, the new directives that you will operate under upon, and the way energy is now used. So what I'm saying is, the magician as your identity is your new law. The sun showed you the path that you needed to step on. The magician is defining how you actually walk this path. This is the Chariot's engine upgrade. Now we come into the incoming vector, which is Temperance. Temperance is the forward line. This is the direction of movement that you will now take. This is the integration mechanism. Temperance in the east means that motion will be calibrated. It is a motion where the system moves forward without distortion or the karmic debt in the west. Temperance is full integration, full correction and full balance. The internal ledger is in full ratio. Movement is through precision, and it's movement that is a clean forward movement. Temperance doesn't bring a healing. Temperance brings engineering to the self. The sun gave visibility. Temperance is giving you precision. This is the structural refinement of the Chariot's direction. So I'm just going to bring all this together. This cross now becomes a closed loop directional system. The sun illuminated the corridor. Death in the west ended the old identity, the old land, the old architecture. The young man in south suspended any reactive movement. The magician in the north established the new operating principle. The Temperance in the east calibrated the form of motion. The Chariot in the centre locked the vector and activated this movement. Alignment is no longer a concept here. Alignment is no longer a frequency. Alignment is no longer clarity. Alignment in this cross becomes motion. The path is visible. The vector is locked. The field has been cleared and the mechanism is now active. The Chariot will move. Thank you for watching this alignment cross. If you want to see the sun's episode, I'll put it in the description, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.